Hi everyone, welcome to Dataset. My name is Taiwo. In this tutorial, I will walk you through how to display the last refresh date and time in Power BI step by step as shown on the screen. I'm going to go to the next slide to show you the two method approach we're going to be using in this particular tutorial. The first one is date time zone UTC now. This method is ideal if you are publishing your report to the Power BI service and want to display the refresh time for an audience outside your local time zone. And the second method is date time zone local now. This method works best if you are sharing your report within a local team using Power BI desktop. So let me show you a sample already designed. Then you can understand how to make use of this particular method, both method. As you can see, this refresh was done yesterday as of 2019 local time. So I'm going to show you my local time, then I will refresh. So our local time at the moment is 12:11. So if I click refresh, I expect both of them to change to 12:11. So I'm going to click refresh. Refreshing. As you can see, it's refreshing. This two time is going to change. As you can see, today is 6th of September 2025. It has changed for both of them, 12:11, 12:11. So the differences is that if you have a colleague working in the States or maybe in Africa or Asia, this particular time will be different, and the date UTC is the best to use when you publish your Power BI report to Power BI service. So I'm going to launch blank one to show you how to do this in real life scenario. So let me open my Power BI blank report so I can show you how to do that. So this is a blank one. So all you need to do, let's just start straight away. You go to home, click data transform data, and you click transform data again. It's going to load our Power BI query. So when you are in this query window, all you need to do, you click new source and you click blank query. In our blank query in the window, you add equal date time zone dot UTC now, open bracket, close bracket, and you confirm that, clicking the confirm mark sign. And the next thing to do is to change your query, because the default for every blank query is query 1. We need to change this to the name that will differentiate from the second one, which is refresh last date UTC. Then we press enter, we change the name, and the next thing to do is to turn it to table. Click here and click to table and click to table. That's turn it to table. The default for when you turn a query to table is going to change the default to text data type. So you click ABC123, change it to date time. Don't select date or time because we want to display date and time. Select date time. Done. So the last option to do is to click close and apply. Close and apply is going to generate that. It's adding, that's it. It's automatically going to load. As you can see, because the template is already formatted this way, that's the reason why it's just automatically open. Now the next one is to create the second one, which is a local time. And to create our local time, we follow the similar procedure by going to home, click transform data, click transform data. Our query is loading. So all we need to do, you go to new source, blank query, we add the date time zone dot local now, and we confirm that, and we change the name to refresh last date now, change our query one. As I said, query default is always query one. We press enter. After that, we can change it and convert that to table. We click to table and we click to table, and we change the data type to date and time, and we click close and apply, and that's it. That's all what we need to do, and this one will automatically change. So another thing that is very crucial we need to do in this particular method is, because it depends on individual. You can have, you want to see the seconds, but I don't want to see the seconds. I just want only the hour and minute. So for me to do that, I'm going to go to the column, then I'm going to change the format to the one I want, which is going to be hour and minute in 4-year method. This one, that's the one I want. I'm going to do the same thing with the second one. So click here, I'm going to go to the column, that's it, everything is done. You can see. So because as of the time this one changed, date UTC is 12:14 and this one is 12:15. I believe my time should be around 12:16. Let me show you my local time, then I'll refresh, then everything is done. That is the end of the tutorial. Let's see our local time. Our local time is 12, it's going to turn to 12:17. Immediately I click refresh, everything will turn to 12:17. Both of them, you can see it's loading, it's going to turn to 12:17. And this is all what you need to understand when you come to creating refresh dates on your Power BI report. You can see 12:17 for both of them. That's all you need to understand when it comes to this kind of tutorial. Come for more educative tutorial in our channel regarding Excel, Power BI, and Access. Thank you for watching and stay blessed. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. I remain your style. Bye for now.